most hated. Hey, just got us a 1988 Jag. Loader bringing it out. Me in Texas picking it up. Ooh. Sleep. She's sleep. Shout out to the loader. Shout out to the loader. Look at the interior. It's immaculate. Look at the keys. Back in the day, you was wealthy if you had this. Ooh, got the sunroof. 12 up in here. Brand new one. Now this is the trunk. It got an actual spare with the, put the battery in the trunk. Y'all, we about to see if it starts. Ooh, it started right up. It's so quiet. Classics and classics.